Only good things come from Sephora.
Yeah, Sephora is very cool.
Ooh. Oh, it's a gift card. Oh, and a mirror. Thank you so much. I'm going to buy some perfume. Thank you very much. That's my box. That's awesome. Can I have the box? Mommy loves Sephora. I get to go shopping.
You can go fun
Mommy
shopping.
gets to go shopping. Buy some smell good stuff. Where's your baby? There's one for Keely.
What time is it?
Keely, look. Look what Mommy's got.
I don't know, honey. I can't see the.
No, I don't. Oh, yeah.
Keely.
Keely, no.
9:41.
No, Keely, no.
Hey, you may want to grab your posters, kiddo.
Here.
Oh, she found the moat. No more
There's
Christmas
all these
music.
presents for Keely, but she won't open them. Keely. Oh, here, this one sounds fun. Keely. Yeah, how about that one?
She tried to subscribe us to the NHL package.
Keely. She's just not interested in this yet.
You have to put her on your
Hold
lap.
on.
She's getting her bubbles.
I hope that lid's on good.
She can get it off, I'm telling you.
Keely. Keely, you have all these toys over here. Come over here. No, ma'am.
Go get your packages. She went right after the remote. Woohoo! Oh, another one? Good Lord.
Keely.
What she got now?
That's not right.
She can fit the whole thing in her mouth. She can't swallow it, but she can fit the whole thing in her mouth.
Oh, how cute are these? You guys did so good. Oh, Morgie. Oh, I love it. Look at you both smiling. Oh, and the black and white is gorgeous too. You always did good black and white. Keely, look what I got. Keely. Looky. Keely,
This is
look.
from you guys.
Look. Look.
Yeah, my mom can rap.
Wiggity 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 yo.
She can rap.
And I can unwrap. Bam. I don't want to rip it.
If she were here, she would tell you to rip it.
It's too pretty.
Oh my, Keely, look.
You know what it is, Chad?
I don't.
You know what it is? You want
I
to know
do
what it
not.
is? It's the Beatles Rock Band!
Nice. Nice.
Mine.
Huh, you have to use my PS3.
But it's my game.
We may have to find a compromise here.
She grabbed it right after
You got
Does that meet the Morgans?
DJ Hero.
This is
I got
for Daddy.
Rock Band.
Go give that to Daddy.
Daddy's got too much.
This is for your mommy and dad. Or this is for your sisters.
No, Daddy doesn't.
I don't. This is for you. Go ahead.